Hello guys, today new topic, solve equation. Equation is a life. If we follow the right path, it will be solved correctly. And we use inequality and the endurance to solve the equation. Life is a mystery to us every riddle, and is a solution the same with the equation. And solve equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal sign 0, and ax squared plus bx plus c equal sign 0. And this solving equation of the form. There are three basic methods for solving a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal sign 0. And the first factoring, second completing the square, and the third using the quadratic formula. First factoring, we can write ax squared plus bx plus c equal sign 0. And as a product of two linear factors, then we can easily solve the equation. To solve a quadratic equation by factoring, follow the steps. And first write the equation and standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equal sign 0 and a not equal sign 0. Second factor the left side of the equation, and third apply the zero product property that is set each factor equal to 0, and solve each equation to obtain the roots. For example, example 1, x squared plus 3x plus 2 equal sign 0. And how to find x? This is the formula: x plus 2 and x plus 1 equal sign 0. And x plus 2 equal sign 0, x plus 1 equal sign 0, and this x1 equal sign minus 2, and x second equal sign minus 1. And the second formula, 6x squared minus 90x minus 7 and equal sign 0. This is 2x minus 7 and 3x plus 1 equal sign 0. 2x minus 7 equal sign 0, average equal sign to 0, 3x plus 1 equal sign 0, x second 7 over 2, and x second is minus 1 over 2. And next, when you are solving an equation, do not divide both sides by an expression containing the variable for which solving we may be dividing by 0. For example, to solve x squared minus 2x equal sign 0, do not both sides by x, because x may be 0 and you'll be also lost one of the solution. And second, completing the square. This square ax squared plus bx plus c equal sign 0. so that it becomes a perfect square that is the square of a first degree polynomial expression in the form x square plus 2xy plus y square and the x square minus 2xy plus y square are perfect square polynomials. For example, this x square plus 6x plus 9 and the x square minus 4x plus 4. And the perfect square because x square plus 6x plus 9, this is the x plus 3 square, and this is x minus 2 square. This is the formula, and to write a quadratic equation is as a perfect square follows the steps, and this is steps a lot of, and next we example. For example, x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals sign 0, and this x squared plus 6x equals sign 7, and this is the formula. We x squared plus 6x plus 9. How this is 9? Because this is a formula and we write 9. This is 7 plus 9, and x plus 3 square is a quadratic formula, and this is 19, and x plus equals sign plus minus root 16. This is екі жағын да квадраттаймыз, and x1 minus 7 and x1, and next and the quadratic formula, and the final methods will work of any quadratic equations, and therefore we can use it when the other methods fail or not easy to apply, and look at the derivation of the quadratic formula. Next quadratic equation, and this is ax squared plus bx plus c equals sign 0, and this is a not equal sign 0, and rational, and this is x squared plus bx plus c equals sign 0, divide both sides by a, and this is x squared plus b divides a x plus c over a equals sign 0, and we сол жақ бетіне өткізіп аламыз, минусы бөлінген а болады. Одан кейін бізде x squared plus bx plus b, this is we try to add b over 2a square to both sides, and we have to by sides, and this is x plus b over 2a squares equals sign minus 4ac plus b square over 4a square, and this x plus b over 2a equal sign plus or minus b root b square minus 4ac and over 4a square. Next, this formula x equals sign minus b plus or minus b quadrat or b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is the formula. And next we for example x square plus 2x minus 8 equals sign 0. And with this formula and x equals sign minus b plus or minus b squares minus 4ac and over 2a. And this is a, this is a b, this is a c, and x equals sign, this is b2 and b minus 2 and plus or minus root b is 2 square and 4 and 4ac a1 and c minus 8 and over 2 1 and equal sign x1 minus 2 plus b and plus 6 and over 2 equal sign 4 over 2 and the second x and second x minus 2 minus 6 and over 2 and minus 8 over 2 and the x second minus 4. And that's all, guys. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.